Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of October 20, 2021. The first question is, who among the following becomes highest wicket taker in T20 International? The options are A. Lasith Malinga, B. Jasprit Bumrah, C. Shakib Al Hasan, and D. Tim Saudi. The correct answer is C. Shakib Al Hasan. Bangladesh Shakib Al Hasan becomes highest wicket taker in T20 International. Shakib Al Hasan now has 108 wickets from 89 matches in the T20 format. He overtook Sri Lankan legend cricketer Lasith Malinga's tally of 107 wickets. Tim Saudi is the third player on the list with 99 wickets from 83 matches. Shahid Afridi, 98, is at the fourth spot, and Afghanistan's Rashid Khan with 95 wickets at fifth. For India, leg spinner Yuzvendra Chahal is their leading T20 innings wicket taker with 63 wickets in 49 games at an average of 25.3 and an economy rate of 8.32. Shakib Al Hasan, first cricketer in T20 International to score 1000 runs and take 100 wickets. In T20 cricket, he is currently 6th on the overall wickets charts with 388 wickets. He is one of only 4 players in T20 cricket to have 5000 runs, 300 wickets and 50 catches. Other cricketers are Pollard, Dan Bravo and Andrew Russell, all West Indies players. He becomes first player to complete 12,000 runs and 600 wickets in international cricket. The second question is, which of the following launches historic Shenzhou 13 crewed mission with 3 astronauts for 6 months? The options are A. Japan, B. China, C. Russia, and D. India. The correct answer is B. China. The third question is, whose wax statue was unveiled at Dubai's Adam Tussauds? The options are A. Ranveer Singh, B. Yuvraj Singh, C. Amitabh Bachchan, and D. Virat Kohli. The correct answer is D. Virat Kohli. Wax statue of Indian captain Virat Kohli unveiled at Dubai's Adam Tussauds. The fourth question is, which of the following country has bought a USD $500 million credit line from India? The options are A. Sri Lanka, B. UAE, C. Maldives, and D. Thailand. The correct answer is A. Sri Lanka. Government of Sri Lanka has sought a USD $500 million credit line from India. The facility would be used for purchasing petrol and diesel requirements. The fifth question is, National Security Guard observes its Rising Day on October 16, 2021. The options are A. 32nd, B. 35th, C. 37th, and D. 42nd. The correct answer is C. 37. National Security Guard observes 37th Rising Day on October 16, 2021. The NSG is a federal contingency force to deal with anti-terrorist activities. It was established in 1984. NSG is popularly known as the Black Cats. National Security Guard headquartered in New Delhi, and the DG is M.A. Ganapathy. And the sixth question is, Navrang Saini has been given the additional charge as the chairperson of which of the following? The options are A. IBPS, B. NSG, C. HAL, and D. IBPI. The correct answer is D. IBPI. Navrang Saini has been given the additional charge as the chairperson of IBPI. Post fell vacant after MS Sahu died after a 5-year tenure on September 30. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, founded on 1st October 2016, headquartered in New Delhi. The seventh question is, which of the following launched the Lucy mission to study the Trojan asteroids of Jupiter? The options are A. SpaceX, B. NASA, C. ISRO, and D. ESA. The correct answer is B. NASA. NASA launched the Lucy mission to study the Trojan asteroids of Jupiter. The Lucy spacecraft was carried by an Atlas V rocket from United Launch Alliance. Lucy mission is a 12-year expedition that will study a record number of asteroids. The eighth question is, which of the following governments have held GK competition based on Ramayana? The options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Telangana, and D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government will hold GK competition based on Ramayana. Winners will get a chance to travel by air to Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. 8 people, including 4 students, will be selected from each district of the state. And going to the sports news, Ireland's Curtis Camphor takes hat-trick in T20 World Cup against Netherlands. Curtis Camphor becomes second bowler to take hat-trick in T20 World Cup. Australian Brickley becomes first to take hat-trick in T20 World Cup, that is in 2007 versus Bangladesh. Ireland's Curtis Camphor takes 4 wickets in 4 balls against the Netherlands in T20 World Cup. Curtis Camphor becomes first bowler to claim 4 wickets on 4 balls in a T20 innings World Cup. Curtis Camphor became the third bowler to take 4 wickets in 4 balls in T20. Other 2 bowlers are Lasith Malinga versus New Zealand in 2019, Rashid Khan versus Ireland in 2019. The second edition of the Naval Commanders Conference 2021 held in New Delhi. at short price. This prize is conferred annually from 2021 to 2030 to 5 winners each. Award is given in 5 categories: the support of UN Sustainable Development Goals. It is given by the Royal Foundation. Winners are selected by the at short price council. Protect and restore nature winner, Republic of Costa Rica. Clean our air winner, Takacha Vidyut Mahan, India. Agricultural waste recycling concept project developed by Takacha and Vidyut Mohan. It has been nominated in Clean Our Air category for its cheap, small-scale portable technology. This project converts crop residues into sellable bioproducts. Revive Our Ocean winner, Coral Vita, Sam Teacher and Gato Halper. Build a waste-free world winner, the city of Milan's food waste hubs. Fix Our Climate winner, AEM Electrolyzer, Thailand, Germany, Italy. 15 finalists will receive support from the At Short Price Global Alliance. The At Short Price will travel to the United States of America in 2022. Nominations for the 2022 At Short Prize will open in January 2022. And coming to the one-liners today, Jonas Gahr Støre has been elected as new Prime Minister of Norway. Pradeep Kumar Panja appointed as the chairman of Karnataka Bank Limited. Mount Harriet in Andaman renamed as Mount Manipur, announced by Amit Shah. E.R. Sheikh becomes first DG of Ordnance Directorate. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.